LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay. If we refer to our analysis, since the price was here, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal. The price start to reverse, but as a corrective. Okay, that's mean we didn't have any trade setup to look for buy. And even for me, I didn't get any trade setup. Okay, because whatever if we get any trade from here or this, as we can see, it's not moving. That's mean we shouldn't be in a trade. And in this case, we start with higher time frame. We start with daily chart. What we get here, we want to see whether the price can break previous top or not. Okay, can we look at this as a flat? Every time we explain. Okay, mostly even if we look at the flat, we can expect the deeper correction, not the reversal. Okay, then we're looking for see if we want to look for buy, we need to get the correction here. But we need to know the price haven't broke this top. Okay, or as we can see, all right. That's why if you want to buy here, we need to be quite careful. In term, this one turned to a big, deeper correction. And even if we move to 4 hour chart, after we get this down move, technically when we look at this kind of the correction, we can expect the price to give us one more drop. But when we refer to the charts, we need to see we have last time, but suddenly the price sharply continue. That means still we can expect one of the option continuation as a corrective. For sure, we cannot get any trade setup. And even if we get any move similar to what we have here, we can expect the price sharply move. But we want to see whether we can get trade set up or not. That's why the best things is either we get one more drop before we look for buy, then from there we see whether we can get a trade set up or not, or we get this correction turn to a correction for buy. Okay, if there is a continuation as a corrective, we cannot look for buy. Mostly we cannot get any trade set up similar to what we had here. Okay, maybe we just put on this. Even when the price was here, we couldn't look for buy. The only way was to get the trade from here by having entry above the top. We want to see how we can trade. Okay. And as I mentioned, we didn't have any proper trade setup. Can we expect either from here or higher, we get one more drop, we get this flat. If we get any flat, it depends how deep either the price at the higher or here drop, then any reversal from there, we can look for buy. Even if we look at this flat, any buy will be a short-term trade. That's why the best thing is we trade based on lower time frame if we can. All right. And right now, we want to see how deep this one can go, whether we can put this one relative to this. If we put as an internal, we can expect one move up. This one turn to a more corrective. For sure, if we get this, the next move can give us better trade setup. And even if the price drop from here deeper, at least to retest this low, we can expect for reversal. But any trade, since this one of the ways, because since we're looking at the 15 minutes, any trade will be a short-term trade because of the way is moving really corrective. Okay. Anyway, unless this one turned to a really deep correction, okay, but it depends. By the way, we don't have any proper trade setup. The only thing is if we get a flat here, then from there, maybe we can look for buy. Rather than that, if there is a continuation as a corrective here, I don't think so you can get any trade setup. And even if we get the sharp move flag, this is the only way we can look for. But how about if whatever we get here, repeat here, then mostly we cannot get a really good trade setup. Then it depends on the traders, how they want to trade. Okay. That's why we mentioned if this one, either from here or if the price move higher, we get the deeper correction, then maybe we can look at this flat and buy from there. We see how we can trade it. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.